Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we have asked, what volume of a 0.1 molarity of this acid will be required to neutralize 45.0 cm cube of what? Of 0.2 molarity of this base. Neutralize acid-base titration. Neutralization reaction. You see a question that involves neutralization like this, and you are given two volumes. Look at one of the volume, you are asked of one volume, and one volume is given. It is simply titration. And what is the formula you can use for that titration? Is what? Is CAVA over CBVB is equals to what? NA over what? NB. NA and NBA is what? Simply your mole ratio. Your mole ratio, which we are going to balance the equation. You get that? You say this acid react with this base to produce what? What is their mole ratio? Because we are going to require to fit into this formula. So let's go. We say that this acid H3PO4 plus this base NaOH will react to give you what? Of course, salt will be produced, because neutralization reaction is what? When acid and base react together, they form what? Salt and water. So salt will be produced, which is what? NaPO4 plus what? H2O. So we need to balance our equation. We need to balance. Look at now. N here, H here is how many? Look at H here is 1. H here, look at 4H. You cannot put 2 here. If you put 2 here, you have altered it. So what you are going to do is that you are going to put Na3 here and put your what? Put your what? Put your 3 here. Check whether that equation is balanced. H here is what? We have 3H. We have 3H here. Come to this side. How many H are here? Now check whether this equation is balanced. H here is 3. H here, this 3 that is here means that H has 3. I mean our 3 here. 3 times 2 give us what? 6. And here is what? We have 3, 4 here, and we also have what? 2 here. That is 7. Oxygen is balanced. Let's go to sodium. Sodium here is what? 3. Sodium here is what? 3. So equation is balanced. Balancing of chemical equation is the reactant and product must be the same. They must have the same atom. Are you following? Now, having done that, the mole ratio here is what? Is 1. Is to what? Is to the mole ratio here is what? Is 3. Are you following? Now, so to do that, you are asked what volume of this? This one is what? Is your acid. Look at volume of acid. We are asked to calculate what? Volume of acid. So making VA now the subject of formula. Look at, you cross multiply. So this one with the higher parameter will go up. So you have what? CB VB NA over what? Over CA and B. That is we say VA now is equals to what is your concentration of base? Look at, required to neutralize 45 cm cube of what? 0.2 molarity of what? Sodium hydroxide. So your concentration is what? Look at 0.2 multiplied by what? Volume of base. Look at it here. Volume of base 45 multiplied by what? Mole ratio of acid. Acid here. Look at the acid here is what? 1. You divide it. You get that? You divide it. Concentration of acid is what? Look at concentration of acid. This thing is what? Is acid. A sulfuric acid. Look at the one we call a weak acid. So it's what? 0.1. You multiply by what is your mole ratio of base? Mole ratio of base. Look at it here. Sodium hydroxide is what? Has 3 mole ratio 3. VA now would now be equal to what? Multiply this one by this one will give us what? Will give us 9 divided by 0.1 times 3 will give us what? 0.3. At the end, VA now will be equal to what? 9 divided by 0.3 will give us what? Give us 30 cm cube, because volume is in what? In cm cube. Hey, so our answer is what? Don't waste time. Don't waste time.